Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a generic 4K HD foldable mini drone that comes packed with features, including obstacle avoidance and 2 batteries right in the box. This drone is marketed with some impressive camera claims, mentioning both 4K UHD video capture and an 8K HD camera for stills. However, looking at the detailed specifications provided, the video capture resolution is listed as 1080p and the effective still resolution is 12 megapixels. So, while the marketing might suggest higher, users should expect clear 1080p video and decent 12MP photos, which is still quite good for a drone in this category, especially for casual aerial photography and videography. One of the standout features is the advanced obstacle avoidance system. This is a significant benefit, particularly for beginners or those flying in areas with potential obstructions. The system helps the drone navigate safely, reducing the risk of collisions and making the flying experience much less stressful. It adds a layer of confidence for the pilot, allowing them to focus more on capturing shots rather than constantly worrying about hitting something. Underneath, the drone is equipped with a brushless motor. This is a premium feature often found in more expensive drones. Brushless motors are known for their efficiency, providing longer flight times and more power compared to brushed motors. They also tend to be quieter and more durable, contributing to a smoother and more reliable flight performance. This means the drone can handle varying wind conditions better and offer a more stable hovering experience. The design of this mini drone is also a major plus. It features a foldable design, which is incredibly convenient for portability. The arms fold neatly into the body, making it compact and easy to store in a bag or backpack. This ready-to-go aspect is emphasized as it comes fully assembled, meaning users can get it out of the box and start flying relatively quickly after charging the batteries. Speaking of batteries, the inclusion of 2 batteries is a fantastic bonus. This effectively doubles the potential flight time right out of the box, allowing for longer sessions in the air without needing to immediately recharge. This is a practical feature that enhances the overall user experience, especially for those who want to spend more time flying and less time waiting. The drone is described as beginner-friendly, which aligns well with features like obstacle avoidance and its ready-to-go nature. It's also app-controlled, which is standard for many modern drones, allowing users to control the flight and camera functions directly from their smartphone. The combination of these features makes it accessible for adults looking to get into the drone hobby without a steep learning curve. The long battery life, thanks to the efficient motors and dual batteries, further contributes to its appeal as a user-friendly device. Overall, this generic 4K HD foldable mini drone appears to offer a solid package of features, balancing portability, ease of use, and practical flight capabilities, making it a compelling option for newcomers to the world of aerial drones.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.